The Sumadija MLRS represents a formidable addition to Serbia's military arsenal, embodying precision, power, and versatility. Developed and manufactured domestically, this cutting-edge weaponry system showcases Serbia's commitment to advancing its defense capabilities. With its advanced targeting systems, long-range precision, and versatility in delivering a variety of munitions, the Sumadija MLRS represents a formidable force on the battlefield, ready to address a spectrum of threats with unparalleled efficiency and potency. Sumadija was first introduced in 2017, developed by the forces of several key enterprises of the Serbian defense industry. It is a new multiple rocket and missile launcher system based on an 8x8 Tetra truck chassis. This artillery system is able to fire guided missiles and unguided rockets. MLRS Sumadija is a complex designed to deliver missile strikes against aerial targets in tactical depth. The project is based on the well-known but not the most common concept of MLRS with a modular combat load. By replacing transport and large containers, a combat vehicle can use two types of missiles with different characteristics. MLRS is capable of working independently or as part of various divisions. The launcher consists of a slowing support and an oscillating platform. The aiming control is carried out remotely from the operator's console. The actuators are electrical and hydraulic. There are no projectile guides directly on the launcher, but there are mounts for mounting two modules with missiles. The module is made in the form of a rectangular body several meters long and approximately 1.5 meters with fasteners for mounting on the swinging part of the unit. The number of rockets in the module depends on their type. In addition, missiles of larger caliber protrude beyond the end of the module. On board the Sumadija, there are initial and satellite navigation facilities, communication systems, and a modern digital fire control system. With the help of these means, the MLRS is capable of determining its coordinates, receiving target designation, and calculating data for firing. Preparation for launching missiles is carried out using remote control and takes minimal time. The control equipment allows the new MLRS to work independently, as well as part of a battery of up to 6 units, or in a battalion with 18 launchers. The group use of Sumadija complexes is carried out with the help of a battery or a divisional command post that coordinates the work of individual combat vehicles. Within the framework of the Sumadija project, two types of missiles with different characteristics and missions have been created. They are placed in containers of appropriate dimensions and installed in unified modules. Shooting with single shells or with a salvo is allowed depending on the missions. Two missile modules were introduced. The Zorina 1 missile is 8.25 meters long, 400 mm in caliber, and 1,550 kilograms in weight. The solid propellant engine provides a flight range of 285 kilometers. A 200 kg squad is provided. On board the rocket, there is a guidance system based on satellite and initial navigation, which provides a circular error probable of no more than 50 meters. The Zorina 1 are delivered in cylindrical tube, two in a unified module. The mass of the latter is 4.2 tons. The Zorina 2 rocket is a further development of the ammunition for the older M87 Hurricane MLRS. This rocket is 4.7 meters long, 262 mm caliber, and weighs less than 100 kilograms. The range of such a product does not exceed 70 kilometers. A high explosive fragmentation warhead is used. However, the possibility of using other equipment is declared, including unified with the Orkan missile. With the use of the Zorina 2 unguided rocket, the vehicle can be fitted with 4 modules of 3 tube launchers, offering the possibility to carry a total of 12 unguided rockets. The MLRS includes a transport and reloading machine. It is proposed to carry 4 modules with missiles of any type on its cargo platform. It has its own crane for loading modules onto the launcher. Mechanization of processes and the use of modules not only compensates for a significant mass of ammunition, but also accelerates preparation for firing. MLRS Sumadija uses the promising idea of using different ammunition with different characteristics, which allows to achieve very remarkable results. The main advantages of such a system are related to the firing range and flexibility of use. 262 mm shells make it possible to attack aerial targets at an increased range, and 400 mm ammunition becomes an analog of operational tactical missiles. Simultaneously with Sumadija, another modular MLRS called Tamnava was being developed. It is capable of using shells of calibers 122 and 262 mm in ready-made replaceable modules, and the combat vehicle itself transports and installs spare ammunition. Two modern MLRS of Serbian design are capable of forming an artillery complex with broad capabilities. With the help of its 122 mm shells, Tamava can fire at a distance of 2 to 3 km to 40 km. The 262 mm rounds are compatible with both systems and provide a safer fire at 70 km. Finally, Sumadija can hit a small target at a distance of 285 km. To this should be added to the presence of missiles with different warheads, which increases the flexibility of use.